In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update emojis on your Android. It's going to be real quick and easy, so let's jump right into it. So for that, you need to open up the settings, and then you need to open up the section where you can check for any new updates on your Android. Mine is inside About Phone and inside this option. You can check for update, and if there is an update, you can tap for update. Now, updating the software does not help to solve that issue. That means that particular emoji that you're searching for or the different styles of emoji is not available on your region. But there's no need to worry about, because you can download third-party applications to use different kinds of emojis. So open up your Play Store and search for ZPhone 3, which is this application right here. You can easily install it on your Android, and you can use different kinds of emojis that this application provides you. You can use emojis from different kinds of Android devices such as Samsung, LG, and many more. You can use from Windows and even iPhones. So I hope this video helped to fix your issues. If it did, make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.